Olive here, it's me again, and for today's video, let's do a bonus reading para sa Pisces. Let's see. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you so much to those who are new here, new sa aking TikTok accounts. Thank you everyone, and sa mga nagpapa-private readings with me. Pisces. That's the bonus cards for you. We got 5 of Pentacles. This card. Queen of Wands. Judgment. And the Hermit. For some of you, there's a struggle when it comes to finances. I can see for some of you here, meron din kayo iniinda related sa health. Though I don't read tarot related sa health, pero if I can see or sense one, I have to deliver the message. But for some of you, you're not allowing those loss, or maring magkaroon kayo ng losses dito. Pero hindi naman kayo yung tipo na alam mo yung magpapadala agad, or for some of you, merong mga nag-end na contract, nag-end na relationship, and parang sobra kayong nasaid. Hindi kayo nakapag-prepare, or maring hindi kayo makapag-prepare when it comes to this ending. So, if you can see this messages or video, please do guys, don't forget to save some money. Magtabi kahit gano'n pa yun kaliit, especially if ikaw yung tipong tao na parang padalos-dalos ka mag-desisyon. And I can also see there's an energy here of you, parang because of this ending, you are forced to really isolate yourself. Not naman like tinutulak mo palayo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, but alam mo yung mas pinipili mo munang mag-isa. And there's also a huge awakening. What's awakening ba? Alam mo yung parang nagkaroon ka ng realization. Kumbaga, nagising ka bigla na parang, oh my God, parang mali ang naging decision ko. Mali ang ginawa ko. Ayun. So, wag kayong magpadalos-dalos. And I can really see there is an energy here of related sa you might lose some money, and death even, like yung literal sa if ganun man, my condolences. I can also see because of kung ano man yung nawala sa'yo, kung ano man yung natapos, ayun nga, nag-push yun para mas mag-isolate ka, para mas maging reflective ka. We're not glorifying heartaches here, pero it pushes you to really step up, mas magkaroon ka ng wisdom sa mga decisions mo. What else for Pisces? Queen of Pentacles. There's a lot of struggles. 7 of Swords. There's a lot of struggles talaga when it comes to accepting things, balancing yung mga nangyayari or maring mangyari sa buhay mo. So, be prepared. Well, hindi naman talaga tayo magiging fully prepared when it comes to like pagkawala ng someone or ng something na mahalaga sa atin. But at least guys, use this as a guide to really save up and always prepared sa maaaring mangyari. For some of you here, there is also a betrayal when it comes to love. At naging rason yon na parang nagkaroon din kayo ng losses sa finances dahil sa partner, dahil sa love, or for some, na-scam. Huwag naman. 3 of Wands. 7 of Wands rather. 4 of Cups. And lastly, we got the Wheel of Fortune. Ayun. Kahit na nagkaroon kayo ng losses here, there's also, mas magkakaroon kayo ng knowledge to, alam mo yung mas maging defensive ka, not in a way na hindi ka na magkakaroon ng accountability, pero mas i-defend mo yung mga actions mo, mas hindi ka na magsisit on the clouds, hindi ka na mag-i-imagine ng mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo, but mas lalagyan mo na siya ng actions, and it will result into something na mas magiging matapang ka, magkakaroon ka ng way to take risk, especially related sa money. I can also see for some of you here, pwedeng because of this taking risk, or maybe accepting some things na maring hindi man siya ganun kaganda sa umpisa pakinggan. It could be a job or another relationship. You will just take the risk, and mas magbibigay sa iyo ng strength and clarity. And again guys, paulit-ulit ko nakikita sa cards niyo, you have to really find time to save your money, save some energies, especially if hindi naman ganun ka-importante yung mga lakad. Just find time to rest and rest and rest, and don't forget to prioritize your health. And as well, again, do not put your all of your eggs in one basket, and avoid as well decision making na out of your impulse and galit, kasi it will result into some malaking losses. So this is your reading, and I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.